Hey guys, well it is the 17th I believe today, and December 17th. I am currently headed out to my mom and dad's. I gotta take a picture of the puppy and put the puppy up for sale. And Bella is in heat. She's bleeding all over the frickin' floor, and oh, it's just disgusting. And I've been trying to find her a male, a male purebred lab, but I have had no luck finding a lab that would breed her. She ain't registered, and so people automatically assume that she isn't purebred, and they don't want to have their dog mate with an I don't know what they think would be an impure or dog. So we have to go up this Sunday to Amanda's parents' place for Christmas dinner, and he's got purebred labs up there, but it's an hour and a half, 2 hours away. And so I was gonna go up there originally, but then they said, well, they want us to come up on the 23rd, so we didn't want to make two trips. Well, hopefully Bella stays in heat until the 23rd, because then we can get some puppies out of her. And the last litter of puppies, oh my god, they were just adorable. They were such good dogs, so smart and pretty, and yeah, they were definitely purebred little pups, that's for sure. Amanda is on her way. Well, I told you in the last video that we were having financial problems. Well, now I can tell you Amanda lost her job, and it's, as far as I'm concerned, it's a conspiracy. Because the people that were in charge of, her supervisor, are two-faced assholes. And I've talked to a couple of old employees from that place where she worked, and they just confirmed what I believed. And Amanda got basically fired because she was the one that was always on time and was always doing the right thing when everybody else was doing the wrong thing and wasn't there on time and wasn't doing their job. So they gained up on her and made up a lie and got Amanda fired. I haven't seen, it really affected Amanda pretty badly. I mean, she was crying and she just felt terrible about herself, and she, I know that she wasn't, trying to lie to me or anything. I mean, I've been with her 5 years. I would know if she was lying to me. And so I believe that she told me the truth about her co-workers making up a story and getting her fired. Nobody likes the goody two-shoes, and apparently that's what Amanda was. But today she's got an interview, and she's on her way to Wausau to go to it, and hopefully we'll see what happens. I hope she gets the job, but at the same time I hope she doesn't, because it's such a long drive. It's a half an hour one way. Actually, it's more than that. No, it's about half an hour, 20 minutes from our place. And that's, she drives a, Chevy. She drives, a Chevy Lumina. They got 3.1, and she only gets about 25 miles to the gallon if she's lucky. And she doesn't get gas mileage like me. I get like 35 miles to the gallon with this car. And so that back and forth trip right there is going to be expensive. It's she's going to be filling up probably twice a week, and each fill up is over $50. So that that's going to come out of the paycheck and everything. And but it's another chapter in our life, I guess. I wanted to show you guys something I got here. This is a car dock for my phone. It's I got the Motorola Milestone X2, and it fits in there just beautiful, and it works. Oh my god, it works so well. Watch this. I'll put my location. Tells you the speed, the speedometer, Music. You can call, check that out. Add contacts and whatnot. You know, and then I put in this app. You can add apps to it too. Songza. That's a really cool app for jamming the music. It's like a satellite radio. And you know, I was using, what do you call that? Oh, I can't think of the name of it. Pandora. I hated Pandora. It was always ads, and it was inconsistent. The music, or, you know, it didn't follow the genre of music that I liked. This one works really well. Not only that, but you can listen to, you know, holiday music. You can find your own type of holiday music, whatever it may be. You know, classical, pop, whatever. Yeah, you guys should check out that app, Songza. I like it. But all right, I'm almost at Mom and Dad's here, so I'll talk to you in a bit. Well, that was fun. My little puppy sure is something. Cute little guy. Her name is Pepper. She seems to respond to it too, which is weird. Yeah, this Friday I got my test, or my physical for my med card for the CDL, and I hopefully, you know, obviously I don't have any problem passing that. I don't think my shoulder will have much to do with it. And then we're going to, oh my god, I just found out that we have to go to Green Bay on Saturday to my sister's place, have Christmas there. Then we've got to go to Minocqua on Sunday. A lot of driving, and I'm not looking forward to it. It might just be easier just to drive right up to Minocqua, right from Green Bay, but that's such a long drive. Oh well, it is what it is. You know, it's Christmas, so you gotta make the effort, I suppose. One cool thing that's going on right now, well, that's going to be going on, is we got a big snowstorm coming. Huge. It's starting in Colorado, and the outer edge of it is just making, just entering southwestern Minnesota. And I mean, it's huge, and I'm sure you guys all know about it already, and so I'm a little excited about it. Get the snowmobile out, maybe have a little fun with that, providing it starts. I noticed that when I'm driving my car, I'm having stabilization problems. Like, you know, it wants to wander. It feels like the ass end is kind of unstable, really. I don't know. I know I got something broken back there. I'm gonna have to get it looked at. I don't know. It's not fun driving, because, you know, you turn right and then you turn left, and then all of a sudden you're out of control, skidding into a ditch. And yeah, I can feel it right now. I can't really show it, but it's definitely, if you're driving, you can feel it. Oh boy, I tell you, it's been a hectic week. And then tonight, my nieces are coming out, and I'm taking pictures of them for my sister, their mom, to put in a frame to give to her and her husband for Christmas. And it's, you know, it's a big surprise and everything. I'm having a little bit of a hard time figuring out where I want to do it. If I want to go to they got this light show going on in Marshfield, and, you know, the snow will be falling and everything, or do I just want to do it in a controlled environment with, you know, a backdrop? I only have black and white backdrops. I don't have anything else to really do it with. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go pick up Ezzy from the bus stop, and keeping a close eye on the weather. It looks like Minnesota is just starting to get hit pretty hard now, and I'm kind of looking forward to this snowfall, because, I don't know, something different. So far lately it's been blah weather, very boring and drab, and kind of sick of it, really. Although I would give my right arm for summertime again. But, you know, that'll happen when it happens. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. There she is. Go get Mom.
Come on, Belle. Oh. Go on, get down. Wait until I actually start doing the driving.
What did we get? We got about 8 inches of snow. Good chunk. Wow. Wow, baby.
Jump, 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 jump. Woo!
Do it again. I missed it. Bella, what are you doing? Oh, you crazy freaking dog. You gonna get your sled? Okay, baby. Mommy's gonna try and back out.
What?
Mommy's gonna try and back out.
What?
So she can shovel it.
Oh,
Yeah, guys, we got dumped on. Holy crap. That wasn't too bad. That's how much snow we got.